Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Welcome to the channel CarFreak 458. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we have a 488 GTB, one of the finest mid-engine supercars from the Maranello and from Ferrari. It's too windy outside, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of a montage to show you around the car and everything, you know, that comes along. Just because it's too windy, it's a sandstorm outside and I'm boiling in here, so I'm going to try to be as fast and as accurate as possible so that we can also hear the engine, because we got the key and we can do the, you know, start of the car and just a small review of the same. So the younger brother of the 458 Italia, which is my ultimate favorite car in the world and favorite Ferrari, at least for me, 488 GTB, 3.9 liter V8, producing around 660 horsepower, and it's a mind-blowing car. Not my perfect spec though. It has this kind of you know, Ferrari selling beige leather inside with red stitching and a double stitching on the side here, but the front basically dashboard and the front cockpit here, it is definitely one of my favorite. It's a Ferrari red with a red stitching, so mind-blowing, you know, with a red steering wheel that has a carbon fiber on top. I'll try to show you now, as you can see. So the red leather and the carbon fiber on top here with a little display to show you when you're supposed to shift the gears, which has the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Why 488? Well, it has 488 cc per cylinder, so if you multiply 8 by 488, you're gonna get 3,902 basically. So that's why 488 GTB, you all know, right? Gran Turismo car. As I said, the younger brother of the 458 and older brother of the newest F8 Tributor. This car is supposed to be, let's say, producing 50% more downforce than the 458, considering the whole body, how it's been built, and front double splitter that can suck a lot of air to produce that downforce basically. So, you know, pretty cool car. As I said, would love to have it for a spin as well. We'll see if the owner will allow us maybe in some other occasion. Today, as I said, it's just a tour around and start of this wonderful twin turbocharged V8 engine.
But was out for all these years, all these nights and days, where I lost myself to all my fears, haunted by my past. Do you really wanna know? Do you really wanna know? I'm back from the dead, back for the great, back for my name, back for my fame, back for my lane, back for my bitch, back for my shit, back for my click, back for my spot, back for the top, back for the hearts, back for the stars, back for the scars, back for my life, back for my time, back for the hood, back for good, back for my haters. I miss y'all. Back in the ring like Mama Dali, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee. You really wanna come mess with me, cause I'm an entity in this industry. Everybody be talking about this thing, everybody be talking about this kid. From the past, from the block, from the class to the top. Them brothers wanna drop, them killers wanna blow. I'm back on my ride, got a whole crew representing my side, got a whole city going in for the ride. Everybody wanna get a piece of the pie, I'ma be the king and the crown is on my. Representing CarFreak gold all the way to Dubai. For the times that you cry, for the times that I gave up on life, for the times that I died, I was reborn to write these rhymes. Back for the dead, back for the great, back for my name, back for my fame, back for my lane, back for my bitch, back for my shit, back for my click, back for my spot, back for the top, back for the hearts, back for the stars, back for the scars, back for my life, back for my time, back for the hood, back for good, back for my haters. I miss y'all. Well, royal or lean, I'ma be back for the 808 drums in my dreams. Pray to Allah, increasing my vein, judging the way that I look and I breathe. Confusing your mind really isn't what it seems. I pray 5 times, that's hard to believe. And the way that I look and the way you proceed. Never ever judge me for whatever it may seem. Back in the game, everybody wanna get a piece of the kid. Now they knew that he big. My scope's in your range. You died to the skill that I had. Now I gotta prove to you that I'm back. I'm breaking out of the cage. You put me back in the map. Too bare hardcore, still above that loot check. Inspired me to be what I aim. Earlier, I'ma rise from the pain. Back from the dead, back for the grave, back for my name, back for my fame, back for my lane, back for my bitch, back for my shit, back for my click, back for my spot, back for the top, back for the hearts, back for the stars, back for the scars, back for my life, back for my time, back for the hood, back for good, back for my haters. I miss y'all. I'm back from the dead, back for the grave, back for my name, back for my fame, back for my lane, back for my bitch, back for my shit, back for my click, back for my spot, back for the top, back for the hearts, back for the stars, back for the scars, back for my life, back for my time, back for the hood, back for good, back for my haters. I miss y'all. I'm back from the dead, back for the grave, back for my name, back for my fame, back for my lane, back for my bitch, back for my shit, back for my click, back for my spot, back for the top, back for the hearts, back for the stars, back for the scars, back for my life, back for my time, back for the hood, back for good, back for my haters. I miss y'all.
The startup of the 488. I'm gonna thanks to Zahir for holding the camera. I will hold it up now. As you could see, a V8 twin turbocharged, 660 horsepower, magnificent car. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Peace.